Hello, I'm Brian Esser from How to Automotive, and today I'm excited to announce or bring light to you guys a brand new tool from Milwaukee. Now, this is a mouthful on the name of this, so here you go. I'll try to go through this. So what we got here is the red lithium USB 3.0 stick light with magnet. I told you that was a mouthful on the tool, but basically what we got here is a stick light here, rechargeable stick light that you can use as a mechanic, as a carpenter, just about all the trades out there. This light right here is going to be useful for you guys. So we're going to run over a few specs on the light, and then we're going to go in the shop and put it to use, and I'll show you that. To help me out with the specs on the light, I recently went to the pipeline event that Milwaukee puts on, where they unveil all these new tools, and this is one of the tools that they unveiled at the pipeline event. So Jessica's going to take over from here and tell you everything you need to know about the light.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Introducing the new red lithium USB stick light with magnet and charging dock. So this light is unmatched utility for lighting in tight spaces. And really what that means is that you're never going to have to spend time looking for a place to shut this light down. It has a strong magnet and a hook to really allow you versatility in mounting anywhere you need it to go. It really allows you to perform any automotive application you'd want it or need a light for. 220 degrees of vertical light head articulation paired with 4 total output modes really gives you total flexibility and control over your light beam. This inspection light paired with the slim light blade design really allows you all access lighting to get beneath the surface of the engine compartment and below areas where it's harder to get light into. These are typical areas where you might need to use a pen light in your mouth, so we're giving you that option to really orientate that light down there with the features that we've installed with the product. This light also has 550 lumens of TrueView high definition output and 2 hours of runtime on high. And that allows you to have full runtime for a day, but if you need more, you can actually pair it with the charging dock. So the red lithium USB stick light charging dock is actually a sequential charger, and that means that the light is always going to take priority when it's on the dock before switching the charge to the battery. You can easily swap out these between the two. It's easy to remove the cap of the battery and then pull the battery out, so if you need more runtime, no worries, you can swap that in and out really easily there.
It's hard to see what it's able to do.
This charging dock also has a 2.1 amp charge rate, so that means it's 2 hours to full charge for both the light and the battery. And the dock is magnetic, which allows really easy mounting options onto a toolbox or wherever you can have you, as well as some keyholes if you might want to keep that inside your home at your own personal shop. Moving forward, you're going to start to see that we're switching to USB-C. So all of our personal lighting products moving forward will have integrated USB-C charging port, and that's really to give you guys a more streamlined charging process. We want to take away those cords. We know that can be a frustration for you guys to find those. So we're staying up to date with that technology and giving you guys the most up to date that we can. All of this is covered by a limited lifetime warranty, so you never need to worry about the light crapping out on you. If it does, we got you guys covered. It's really easy service that you just send it into and get a light in a couple days.
So back in the shop, we're going to use this every day. The inspection light portion of it is going to be super handy, especially when you're checking those brake pads. So I like to do this a lot, is just quickly check brake pads by peeking through the wheels like this. And if I find that it's suspect, then I'll take the wheel off and do a better inspection. Now you can use the floodlight portion of it, and it does do a really good job, but the inspection light portion of it just makes it that much better or easier to pinpoint the light, so you can get right in there and see exactly what you need to see. Now the magnetic base is super strong, so you can put the light in all kinds of angles and it will hold itself up. Get in there and do whatever you have to do when you're working on cars. Here I'm taking a fuel pump out. So this light's going to be super handy under a dash, under a car, under the hood. But I also got a chance to take it home and use it at the house and do some work. So we're adding an addition to our house, and I had some a water heater relocated, and I had some lines run. And now I wanted to protect these lines from the drywaller. I don't want him putting drywall screws through my new lines here. So I'm putting these little protector plates in here. And as you can see, I'm using the light hanging it from the hook that it has. And then once I got that protector plate, it's made out of metal. Now I can use it as a base to put the light on, and then I can move on down the line. Now I had to get this done in a hurry because my next contractor is coming in the morning to get started, and this portion of the job wasn't finished. So I went ahead and finished this up after work. It was already dark when I got to it after eating dinner and stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed the review of the Milwaukee Tool Red Lithium 3.0 USB stick light with magnet and docking station. I'm Brian Esser from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching and encourage you to subscribe. Bye, y'all. We done.